Hey guys, this is Brian B with Bear Bulls Traders, back with a daily recap for today. I'm on my laptop at home. I've been on vacation for the holidays, so I've been trading at home whenever I got a chance, so bear with me. Hopefully this sounds okay. But just want to go over today's trade. I got into NWL. I got an opening range breakdown today on NWL. If you notice here on the 5 minute, there was a little bit of volume. It wasn't much. Barely popped above the VWAP. Not enough to get up to the pre-market high, which is up here. So it's low on volume. I figured it was going to be a little weak. So as soon as that 5 minute candle made and we opened up below the 5 minute candle, as soon as it started pulling down, I went ahead and got in for this opening range breakdown. Got in just below VWAP, risking just above VWAP. So got in about 18, I don't know, I guess it was around 1850, 58 or so. And I was risking almost about 1865. So about 10 cents is what I was risking. Didn't really have a whole lot of levels underneath. I got this previous close, or previous open down here at this green level, and then I had some support down here. I went ahead and put me a half order out on the 30 mark, so I could get about 20 cents. I was paying myself 20 cents. I was giving up 10 cents. I went ahead and paid myself on 20 cents. So I put an order out there. I got filled there. My next order was I went ahead and put down here on this previous opening, quarter shares there, and it got filled. Then I had this level of support on the daily on that. Put me an order out there. Another quarter there, got filled on that. Sorry about that. Got filled there, and then I was trying to ride out the last quarter to see what was going to happen. And it ended up getting, filled back up to this previous support. I was trying to ride it out, see if I could get it an all-day fade on this thing, but it didn't do that. So it popped back up to previous support, and then I got out on my last quarter. So basically, my risk reward on this thing was right about, like I said, 10 cents. I got in about 1850, 56 or so. I was risking 1866, somewhere around there. I got a half fill on 20 cents. Then I got down here and got a quarter fill right around 1820. So that was about 44 cents. And then down here I got another little small order filled at 18. So almost 56 cents on that order. So it was a good trade. It was a good trade, good start to the day. I did a few other trades. I'll show you all my positions right here. There's my orders. Still working on a small account. Tried to get in this low float watt. Obviously, the way it played out today, I didn't do a good job at all of that because it shot up pretty good. So anyway, had a couple of good trades. Stopped out on this QRTEA, but that's my my trades for the day. And once again, if y'all hadn't had time to check out Bear Bulls Traders, you need to do so. Like I said, it's a great community. Every time I do a video, I have to pay tribute to them because they're a great community. Andrew's a great trader, great teacher, and we have some great moderators over there, some good moderators that will be there throughout the day. And Carlos does a good job in the mornings before Andrew comes on. So if you hadn't had a chance, come on over and check out Bear Bulls Traders. But anyway, thank y'all and have a good day.